So it's about like 7:30 in the morning. It's the next day. We're gonna go supposedly to a Cars and Coffee little event thing, I guess you can say. First time me going, and I'm going with 3 of my boys, so yeah. I'll just record when we get there, I guess. We're gonna go wash our cars first. So, yeah. Who needs to freaking dry them? So we're gonna all wash our cars right here all together, trying to be as quick as possible. We're gonna foam cannon all 3 of these, 1, 2, and 3, and yeah, clean them together.
There you go.
There we go.
Wow. You're coming all over it.
I gotta take a shit again, bro. So I finished washing my car, now he's gonna go wash his. We ran out of soap at the house, so we're gonna go over there right now to the car wash. So we out here. We are on our way. I told him, move out the way, I'm gonna fart, and y'all niggas just kept on coming. Oh, yeah. Yo, forget about all those cars. Look at this one, bro. Sheesh. Let's see this one real quick. Go on. You smell that shit? Yeah. A little rape band. Yeah, look at the wheels that you want to. Let's go look at this bad boy. Are those the Equipies? I don't know, to be honest. Are those Equips? Check it. Equips, right? Yep. Hey, yo. You should have gotten one, bro. Those wheels look dope.
Definitely just fine.
Yeah.
Oh, see how big it is.
It's pretty, it's way bigger than your Miata.
I know it is.
So I really didn't record much because I just went over there, we looked around, and that's it. There's a couple cars I filmed, and I had to take a mean ass shit, so I took a shit, and now we're going back home because we're hungry, so we're gonna probably go to the buffet or some bullshit. I'll record later, whatever the hell we do. Before we install these are the ones that he got. They're like vented, and it has like the little turning signal right there. These are cool, but this is more for like a track looking setup. So he's gonna go with these for now, the chromes. He only paid like what, 20 bucks for these? Yeah. So he's gonna put these on for now. He will keep these in case he whenever he goes turbo and he wants more air going inside the engine bay, you know. But yeah, not bad. 20 bucks. Look at these bad boys. So yeah, let's install them. This is gonna be this little short video just installing this and showing you the radio, the Max Speed and Rods radio. But the next video is most likely gonna be getting turbo this car, or most likely doing a straight pipe on it before I turbo it, because my turbo is already set up. I already got everything. I'm just waiting for me to install it, and that's it. So yeah, back to this little Miata over here. I don't know what you guys think. Should he use these chrome ones or just keep those black ones? I like the black ones, but the chrome is more that OEM look, so I don't know. We'll put these on for now. So what do you guys think? The black look over here with the vent, or the chrome with that little OEM plus? What do you think, Ral?
No lie, I should got OEM. brand new.
Cause the little
It looks cooler with the rigid.
I know.
You know. Oh no, you know.
OEM.
For the year.
Looks more OEM. This one is literally just super clear. All right, close that hood. Let's see how it looks. Oh fuck, that was easy. TBH. That ain't going nowhere, bro. Let me see that. Damn, that shit's. Oh, that look bad. Damn, she's a brand new nigga. Go open up. Turn on. Hurry up. I said go open the freaking headlights. Well, pop them up. They look weird, guys. Yeah, it looks weird. Looks like he got a black eye with freaking. What do you think, Ralph? As I told you, you need to change these headlights back to the OEM ones. Look at that shit. What do you think? It looks like he got black eyes. You said now what?
I didn't want these anyways. I wanted a sequential LED.
Why can't you get them?
They don't fucking sell them over there like that.
Bro, just get these, but they have a chrome housing one if you want it chrome. You just gonna leave it like that then? Hey, it's your car, man. You know, it looks like a vampire now. Alright. Yes, but hold it from here.
It has the mics where.
Just hold it like I said, and that's it. Look at me. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, let's go. Where's the knife side? So today, if I unbox this thing right, we are gonna put this. Oh my goodness! So here's first of all, here's the Max Peeting Rods radio that I got. Comes with
Code loss.
the radio.
Code loss.
Code, I think it's lost 15 or lost 10 to get 10% or 15%. I'll put it down below. Got the backup camera here too, but let me unbox this real quick. Microfiber. It comes with a microfiber
Wow.
cloth. Instructions. I'm doing this as quick as possible because I think it's about to die, the camera. Comes with even this. What the hell? The little
That's great. How much is this camera?
camera.
I mean, how much is this radio?
How much is the radio? I don't know. I'll put it right here how much it costs. The wiring harness, GPS, USB, all that good stuff.
That's a good deal. Brings the clips and everything and a rag.
Everything. The little mounting brackets. This is the best part, alright? Mounting brackets. This is the best part about it, alright? This is the reason why I wanted it. You can plug in, first of all, let's admire the front real quick, you see that? This is why I got it the most. HDMI, baby. You could put a fucking Xbox, PS3, whatever the hell you want on that bad boy. So, show you guys how it actually. Yo, what you pointing at? Point at me.
I'm pointing at the camera. The camera's
This is
pointing
not
at
a
the
camera.
radio.
This is a radio, bro. Anyways, this is the camera, the backup camera. Comes with Max Peeting Rods. Instructions. And this is the camera right here. Reverse camera. They hooked me up and gave me one for free. Holy shit, this is fat.
That's sponsored.
Wait,
There's two of them.
there's two of them.
One for the front, one for the rear.
Hey, yo.
dash cam?
It's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure this is the rear one. It says 1080p. We're gonna find out how good
Nah,
that
that's
quality
probably
is.
that's probably for the dash.
No, that's for the back for sure. It's the plugs, so you can plug it into that, to this right here, and plug it into the radio. And this is, I don't know if this is the dash cam or if it's the front. But right now, we're gonna take all this and put it into my SUV. So I'm gonna cut this video and you'll see us installing it. By the way, he's just taking the harness from the radio and attaching it to the one on the car, from the car.
It should work. You see what?
Where's the key?
You're ready for the blow up.
If it blows up, it's not my fault.
What you guys doing? Why are you recording all this bullshit?
Cause you never know, something might happen.
Bluetooth. You don't have hotspot?
Nah, he got cold spot. You think this is sound
It's
about?
better than the other one.
So I told you, that one was probably blown up.
Aftermarket radios make sure something good.
Yeah, but he had this one.
Nigga, we had that one connected with Yancy gave me, and we
Straight
tried it.
dog.
It was straight.
He also has these Scar audio speakers that we're gonna install. Cause as you can see, that one over there didn't work. Anyways, let me talk. Hold up. He has these Scar audios that he bought as well. He's gonna replace these speakers because these are bigger too, by the way. I think they put the wrong ones too. You see how small those shits are?
Yeah.
So he's gonna replace it with these Scar audios right here. Oof, oof, oof. Let's see how this shit sounds. He took out the doo-doo speakers. He's putting on the big boys. You put the red with the. Damn, bro, don't bend it though.
I ain't to bend it, nigga. Should just fucking by itself.
Damn, bro, kid getting
Bro,
nervous
can
as
I
soon as
imagine?
you getting nervous as soon as the camera turned on, bro. Chill out.
Imagine.
I guess we're all getting a new set.
By who? You got warranty, right?
See?
Yeah.
See, yes, I told you the magnet.
Hold on.
Don't do it from there, nigga. A little bit. A little bit more. The hole's not there. The hole's not there.
I put it right here.
No, but look, there's already a hole there. There's a hole right there.
Somebody
Look.
made that hole, nigga.
Yes.
Gonna put it in the right one.
You're supposed to make it regardless.
I'm gonna put it in the right
Okay, and where's the other one gonna go?
one. What you mean? Right there.
That's the hole that the dude made.
Yeah, so you got two right here like that.
Motherfucker. Let's get the camera. Saving on it, homie. So I told you, put it on the other one. What the fuck was you? It's not gonna fit, bro. I told you, bro. You don't wanna believe me, huh? God did.
How's that?
Bueno, let him do that. We're gonna find a way to mock this freaking bad boy up. He already blew up this one over here. He blew up that one over there, so now we're gonna mock this bad boy up. Bro, it's not working,
Where's
huh?
all the speaker at? Give me that shit.
Oh, what do you know? He's gonna loosen it up like I told him.
Is the left? Is that left?
It is now.
You didn't check if it was driver's side.
It has to be.
There you go.
Installation complete. Yeah, you should have cleaned that shit. Yo, press that motor. Cause I don't want this shit to. Yeah. Yeah, it works.
I can't get rid of you.
Alright, so now we know both of the speakers work. He's putting that, mounting it up. And like I said earlier, we're gonna figure out how to mount this because he don't got the actual like mount kit for it. So we're probably gonna use these and do some crazy shit. So I don't know. I'll let you know what we do after this though. Alright, so this is what we got so far. It's already all set. He don't have the actual trim for this, so he's gonna install it later on. And we got the speakers installed on both sides. He's gonna test run this head unit for about a week, and then we'll let you know all the little features. So probably in the next clip I'll tell you all the features because they'll be past like a week or like 3 days or so. So yeah, see you then. All right, so I'm gonna show you. Oh damn, my phone's upstairs. So I'm gonna show you the same head unit but on my Pilot. Check it out. So if I had my phone on me, I left it upstairs like a dumbass, it would automatically pair right there with the Android Auto. As soon as I get in the car, it would just pair automatically. But I don't got my phone on me. So there's the freaking UI. I showed you on the other one. YouTube, wallpapers. This is for the Android Auto and CarPlay. We got Netflix, the Play Store, obviously. You could download whatever you want as an Android device. Spotify, so on and so forth. You get the gist of it, okay? Look at the reverse camera though. Look, I'm gonna go to reverse. It kicks in right away. Super good quality. Way better than the Atoto, for sure. Not trying to hate on the Atoto one, but it's just, I don't know, this one's more crisp. And the second camera that they gave me is for a dash cam. I didn't set it up because I didn't have time, but yeah. As soon as I put it back on park or drive, it goes to the dash cam right there for like a quick second, and then goes back to the actual, the UI. Or wherever you left off. But yeah, it's nothing crazy. It's so far better than the Atoto. Like I said, I would recommend it, especially they're gonna go on sale supposedly, and you can use my coupon code. I do not get paid for giving you my coupon code, so just letting you know, it's just for you guys if you guys want it. The coupon code, I'm pretty sure, is LOST15. I'll put it right here, and I'll put it in the freaking in the description below. So yeah, you get 15% off the whole website. So if you want this radio, go ahead and get it. So yeah, like all this gap right here, I'm just waiting for the bezel to come in, so it's not gonna look like that for yours. But yeah, if you guys want it, get it. If you guys don't want it, don't get it. Also, I know this was not a crazy video, but I just wanted to post something at least, you know. But I have my turbo, my whole turbo setup. It's pretty much done. I got the intercooler pipe and everything for the SC. So just wait for that. Trust me, it's gonna be good. Pretty short video. All we did was install the radios. I didn't record too much of it because it's literally plug and play. We did the radios, we did the turning signals for the Miata, and we went to that little car meet. Nothing too crazy, just something to post, you know. Next video, most likely is going to be straight piping my SC300, then turboing it. So stay tuned if you guys want to stay tuned. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Run this shit, I'm lapping on ya.